Welcome back, everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to enable DRM or digital rights management in the Chrome mobile app. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. DRM is a technology that controls access to digital media, including movies, music, eBooks, software, and games. It encrypts content to manage who can access and use it. In Google Chrome, enabling protected content helps prevent unauthorized copying and distribution. To enable DRM in Chrome on your mobile device, follow these steps. 1. Open the Google Chrome app. 2. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. 3. Scroll down and select Settings. 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Site Settings and tap it. 5. Look for Protected Content and tap on it. Here, you'll see 3 options: Allowed, Ask First, Blocked. I recommend selecting Ask First. This way, Chrome will prompt you for confirmation before allowing websites to play protected content. Once you've enabled this setting, Chrome will ask you whether to display protected content when you encounter it while browsing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below.